With regards to an update on vaccination rollout, so progress to date, our dashboard, as a reminder, is updated on Monday. So this data is up to date as of Monday this week. And as of Monday, 125,000 people, 221 had received their first dose of COVID-19 vaccine among residents across HKPR jurisdiction. So this equates to among individuals that are 12 and over, 73% have received their first dose and 20% have received 2 doses of vaccine. Among the population that is 18 and over, 74.6% have received 1 dose and 21.2% have received 2 doses. When we look at the population that is age 60 and over, 84% have received 1 dose. So really looking at excellent coverage. When we look at the younger age cohort, which has just in the past month become eligible for COVID-19 vaccination, we are already at 47.5% of youth aged 12 to 17 that have received their first dose of COVID-19 vaccine. And I know a number of youth clinics had been scheduled or are scheduled for this week, so I think that number will increase by next week. In terms of overall priorities with the vaccination program, I think first priority is still to have as high a proportion of the population with 1 dose as possible. We hear the number of 90% sometimes floated around and talked about. I think there's no magic number that has been identified, especially given that there continue to be different variants that are circulating. We know that the more infectious a variant is, the higher the population coverage we need for vaccination. So if we can reach 90%, that's amazing. If we can reach 95%, even better. We are aiming for as high as we can. We know that there's approximately 47,000 people across HKPR that are still eligible for their first dose of vaccine, and we are really looking to continue to encourage people to get their first dose and are looking at other ways we can ensure that vaccine is made as accessible as possible.